Stall heating shutting down.
I'm changing who I am. I'm making a new plan, rearranging my life, and I won't look back ever again. Yeah, you ain't see me activated. You better hope that you never see me agitated. I think about my actions, plan them out, evaluated. That's how I end up on the top, man, I'm calculated. My mind's a weapon, my body is the engine. I'm never second guessing, I just do what I was destined. Cause I feel I got the blessing, persistence and obsession. That's how you keep progressing, I already learned that lesson, yeah. I'm changing who I am. I'm making a new plan, rearranging my life, and I won't look back.
Hey guys, how's it going? You guys just chilling, eh? Pretty cool stuff, huh? Right on. It's nice to see you guys. See you guys later.
No fear, see clear, you deserve to be great. I know it feels like things get in your way. Push through those walls and the others will fall. Sit up, stand tall, you can get through it all. I need some energy, anxiety's no friend to me. I have a short memory.
Good morning, guys. Here I'm just at the Fintry Estate, Fintry Provincial Park. I'm just gonna hang out here for a little while. Gonna go explore around, see the falls, and see what this is all about. I've never seen this before. I've never even been here before. But you know, I live like, or I used to live, you know, 100 so kilometers in that direction. So it's kind of weird that I've never even seen this place. I might have driven by here when I was a kid, but wow, the road is pretty treacherous down this road. We made it. We're gonna go check out the waterfalls just down the trail here. Apparently, there's a bear in the area. So that's good to know. We'll catch you guys in a second.
I won't look back ever again. You can't stop what's moving. You can't stop what's moving. I'm changing my life, and I won't look back ever again.
Bring it on. Holy crap, am I ever dying again. My legs are sore from yesterday, let alone today. This is definitely gonna be a very killer climb up the hill, but nonetheless, this is very beautiful. I got the waterfalls here in the corner. Oh, just amazing. Winter Falls. Fintry Winter Falls. Welcome to. It's hard to comprehend over a video. I'm gonna try and do my best to capture it the best I can. The sheer distance and height of this area is just crazy. Couldn't imagine like falling from a way up there. You wouldn't survive. A good 200 feet, I would say. Anyways, we'll catch you guys in a sec. And I'm gonna be climbing way up there. Whew. All right, let's do this. Wow, that's so pretty. Hey guys, I'm just sitting here on top of the waterfalls. What a beautiful view it is. I just climbed, I don't know how much I climbed, but I'm at 1,380 feet. If you can see that there, just beside my thumb right there, 1,380 feet above sea level. I don't know what that is in meters, but you can always look it up. I'll do meters and kilometers per hour, but feet above sea level is a little easier. You know, feet when you're doing carpentry work too, and not centimeters. You know, it's just a Canadian thing. That's how we do it. We roll with both. So I'm just gonna head down the mountain and go find some other cool stuff to look at. Gonna go have something to eat. We're carefully goes down these slippery stairs because they're covered in a little bit of snow, but it's not really ice. It's kind of just crumpling snow. So that's kind of cool. There's a couple tracks I don't really recognize. They don't look like kitty paws. They got claws. Maybe they're like marten or something. I don't know. Otter. Who knows? Very peaceful, very calm out here. It's very nice. It's like 6 degrees outside. I probably didn't need my jacket, but I carried it anyways because it's got lots of pockets for all my camera gears. And it's easier to throw over my shoulder. So an update on the Chinese diesel heater. I'm not running it all night. I'm only running it just before I go to bed. Or if I'm parked late, I'll plug it in and I'll get it ready to go. But then I'll turn it on in the morning, and I usually have it on in the morning for like an hour and a half, and I'll listen to an Audible book or something just for a little while. While I'm listening to my Audible book, I'll get my clothes on, get ready to go. It takes like 20 minutes for the car to warm up, for me to get comfortable enough to get some clothes on. So that's always nice. Saves me a bunch of money on diesel. I don't have to be running all day. But when I'm here, I'm not going to set up the Chinese diesel heater. But at the same time, it's 6 degrees outside. I can just rely on my boot warmers and keep warm. So that's always nice. I don't always need to start my diesel heater. Unless it was just like super cold, like -10 outside. And I'd probably turn it on and get it ready to go. But I've got a jerry can full of diesel. It's like 5 liters in it. And I've got the tank, it's just under half full, maybe a quarter full, maybe a third, I don't know. So anyways, it's running great. I love it. I'm quite content with it. I'm very happy with the outcome of buying that. Kind of wish it was built into the vehicle. Just flick a switch and everything turns on. I've even seen boxes built on the sides of vehicles like FJs and 4-door Jeeps and whatnot, and trucks with rooftop tents and stuff, where they just have the Chinese diesel heated permanently mounted on the side of their vehicle inside a rigid, solid case that keeps it nice and protected. It's got the fuel tank, the exhaust, everything's built in. All they have to do is when they flip up their rooftop tent, they pipe their heat vent right into their tent, and then that's good to go. Everything's ready. I was almost tempted to do that, but instead of on the side of my vehicle using the car top carrier. So all I have to do is when I stop, all I'd have to do is pipe the heat into the vehicle and flip a switch. That would be so cool to have, just perfectly ready to go. Maybe I can do that during the winter before it gets too warm outside. I'll buy another unit and permanently mount it right inside the rooftop cargo box on the car roof. That might be something I could think about doing, because I've seen a few of them on sale for like $150. They've got everything built in, ready to go. Well, I mean, everything's ready, everything's there. You just gotta put it together. Obviously with the upgraded fuel pump, so it doesn't make that harsh clicking noise. We will catch you guys in a few seconds. I'm gonna go have something to eat. Out here on the dock almost kind of makes me miss fishing. I've been out on the lake so often, I've totally just been distracted that I haven't gone fishing in so long. And I've been out in the boat for so many hours this year. Wish I was out in the lake going fishing. Fishing's fun. What can I say? I got to admit, being out here is pretty cool too. There's always next year. It's only like a few months and then winter will be gone and then I'll be back out in the car, make some dinner, and we'll start editing this video. See, I missed something already. I missed the manor house. I have no idea if it's open or what to see. I think I did see a building through the trees there, but there was nothing I could have done. I didn't really see a path to go in there, so I guess you have to park in the parking lot to find the trail to get through. I did find some outbuildings that it looks like you could have a party or something out here, which is kind of cool. We'll see you guys in a sec. So guys, we'll catch you guys in the next location. Thanks for watching Fintry Provincial Park. It looks pretty cool, but I'm shocked that it's not open right now because it's so nice here. See you guys in the next episode. Thanks for watching. Have a great day and enjoy the rest of your day. Please subscribe, like, comment. Remember to hit the bell notification icon to get notifications when I actually do upload videos. And you can come across all these cool campsites that I always come across. Very cool. Alright guys, we'll see you guys in the next location.